The glowing benefits of glycerin for your face.
Hello everyone! Today we are talking about a skincare superstar, glycerin. This ingredient may be familiar to you as it often appears in the list of ingredients on many skincare products. But have you ever wondered why? Let's dive into the world of glycerin and explore the amazing benefits it has for your skin, particularly for your face.
What is glycerin?
Before we delve into the benefits, let's clarify what glycerin is. Glycerin, also known as glycerol, is a natural component of healthy skin. It's a humectant, which means it has the property of attracting water to itself. In skincare, it's often derived from plant sources like soy, palm, or coconut.
Why is glycerin good for the skin?
Now that we know what glycerin is, let's explore why it's beneficial for your skin. 1. Hydration. Glycerin attracts water from the air and from deeper layers of the skin to the outer layer, keeping your skin hydrated and healthy. 2. Softening. Thanks to its hydrating properties, glycerin also helps in softening the skin, making it supple and smooth. 3. Barrier enhancement. Glycerin strengthens your skin's natural barrier, helping it to shield against environmental stressors and irritants. 4. Promotes healing. Glycerin may also aid in skin healing and reduce the appearance of scars and wounds over time.
How to use glycerin on your face?
Glycerin is already present in many skincare products including cleansers, moisturizers, and masks. You can also use it directly on your skin. Here's a simple way to use glycerin on your face. Mix a teaspoon of glycerin with a few drops of distilled water. Apply the mixture on your face, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse off. This simple yet effective mask can be a great addition to your skincare routine. So, there you have it, folks. Glycerin is a skin-hydrating superhero that not only moisturizes your skin but also softens it, enhances your skin barrier, and promotes healing. It's a versatile ingredient that can be a great addition to your skincare routine. I hope this video has been enlightening and helps you to achieve the glowing skin you deserve. Until next time, stay beautiful.